problem.
No more. Pulling the bar down.
Sorry, John. No, it's all right. Now we want to reverse that and just gradually lower it down.
Drilling 30 years. No longer than 30.
The two bottom, there are two bottom
1960s,
tubes missing,
yeah.
I think.
70s. Yeah.
Yeah. They're all going to just shear like that. Don't scratch the paint. We're going to sell them in the gift shop.
There you go. There's one.
That's a replacement for us.
It's the only one. You better keep that.
Nice and shiny.
You better keep that.
You need the pipe?
By the time we get the right socket, we'll have it done. Good job. Now what?
Nice. Sick.
What's up?
Yes.
Want the yellow ox? Yeah, perfect.
Oh my, look at that.
It just-
Beverly, can you get a picture of that?
I think I got it.
She got it on video.
I
Oh,
think
did
it's
you?
on video.
Look at that. Look at that warpage. Let's get that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, back up everybody. Let's let him lift it a little. Tom, can you lift just a tad? There you go, perfect. Okay. Wow, we're gonna let it go.
Okay.
From a
Urban legend.
urban legend that this came here by its own power. That it was towed behind
It was told, yeah.
number one, but some people say they saw smoke coming out of the smokestack. But I can tell you, there's a missing tube. So there's no way that was under steam pressure when it came here. That tube would have been taken out at Owens Valley.
Yeah.
And once that tube was out, it wouldn't hold steam. So it puts to rest that urban legend
Yeah,
for sure. Right?
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I see that.
See it? Are there a couple up top?
Yes. Well, quite a bit of. How on earth did the piece of wood get in here?
Okay.